Okay, to install the sponge onto the magnet rack, you want to first put the sponge list on very loosely with the hex screws. The next what you want to do is you want to move the sponge up into place just so that the long pivot arms right here are touching just the bottom of the list and not any further. And then tighten down, just hand tight, not very tight. What you want to do is you want to go across with your finger and tap on each one of the long pivot arms at the end. If you hear it clicking, that means that it's not adjusted properly. So to adjust it, loosen the hex screw and tap on the long end of the pivot arm and move the sponge up just until the tapping is stopped. Once it's stopped, you can tighten the hex screw. Do another check. I have some loose ones here, so I'm going to tighten this side too. And tighten. Do another check. If everything's fine, you tighten down the hex screws. And if you look at your sponge, you will notice that there's not a whole lot of pressure between the sponge and the pivot arm.